Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Today let us see the present continuous tense, and it is also known as present progressive tense. Here name itself suggests continuous or progress. It means at the time of speaking the action should be in progress, it should be going on. So you see here, this tense is mainly used for an action which is going on at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking, action should be going on, it should be in progress. Okay? Then let us see the structure of this tense. Subject plus V1 plus V4 plus object. Okay? B verb. Then what are B verbs? See here. B verbs mean is, am, are. For the present tense, is, am, are. These three are B verbs. Past tense was, were. We shall see that later. Okay. Is. We have to use with he, she and it. Okay. And am, you have to use only with I. Okay, I am. And are, you have to use with we, you and they. We, you and they. Then what is this V4 for? Already I have told you. Present participle form. Present participle form means verb plus ing. Verb plus ing. Okay? Verb plus ing form is called V4 form. Okay. Now let us see some examples for this. For example, let us take the same example. Previously we have taken the example. He plays cricket. I play cricket. Isn't it? Now see here. I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. See here, I is subject, V verb am you have taken, and after that V4 form you have used. Play, it is the basic word, for that you have used ing form. So it became what? Playing now. Okay, you have used suffix ing, then it became playing. And after that, object cricket. I am playing. Suppose he is there, he is playing. For he, she, it remains same. He is playing cricket, she is playing cricket, it is playing, or you can take any other example. It is drinking water. Okay. Next, we are playing. We are playing cricket. We are playing cricket. Here, we after you have to use are. After that, remaining things will be same. Here only be verb changes according to the subject. Okay. For we, you, they, you have to use are. He, she, you have to use is, and for I, only for I, you have to use am. Okay. Then, how to make or how to change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. The structure: subject plus be verb plus not plus V4 form plus object. Okay. See here. I, be verb am, not playing cricket. I am playing positive sentence, means affirmative sentence. Negative sentence, I am not playing cricket. Only thing you are adding is not. After be verb, you have to add not. He is not playing cricket. They are not playing cricket. Is it clear? And next thing, how to make interrogation. How to make an interrogation. It is also very easy. You have to take be verb first. After that, you have to put the subject. Okay. After that, be form, and after that, object. Be verb plus subject, be form, and object. For example, I am playing cricket. It is sentence. Affirmative sentence. I am playing cricket. It is affirmative sentence. How to change it into interrogation? See here. You have to take be verb first. Which is be verb here? Am. Am. After that, you have to take a subject. Subject is I. Am I. After that, be form. Am I playing cricket? Question mark. Am I playing cricket? Be verb first. After that, subject I have taken. After that, be form means ing form of the verb you have used, and you have used object cricket. It is same for other things also. For example, he is playing cricket. Then you have to say, you have to ask, is he playing cricket? They are playing cricket. Are they playing cricket? Helping verb, be verb you have to take first. After that you have to put subject. It becomes interrogation. Now let us see how to make negative interrogation. Okay. Structure is be verb, subject, after that not, then be form plus object. Okay. For example, I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. It is affirmative sentence. Okay. Affirmative sentence. And how to change it into negative interrogation? See here. Be verb you have to get first. Am. After that, subject I. After that, you have to use what? Not here. After that, be form. And object. Cricket. Am I not playing cricket? Am I not playing cricket? It is negative interrogation. He is playing cricket. He is playing cricket. Is he not playing cricket? They are playing cricket. Are they not playing cricket? This is what how to make negative interrogation. Okay. Now you see how to use present continuous tense in the different situations. First thing you see here, action which is going on at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking, action should be in progress. For example, I am reading. They are playing. She is singing. At present time, the action is going on. Okay, to that you have to use present continuous tense. Second one you see here, action which may not be going on at the time of speaking. Okay, but going on in a regular process. Okay, in a regular process it is going on, but it may not be going on at the time of speaking. For example, he is writing a book. It doesn't mean when you are speaking that time also you should be writing that one. Okay, he is writing, that process is going on, regular process it is going on. Okay, she is teaching in our school. Okay, nowadays she is teaching in our school. It doesn't mean at that time also she should be teaching there. Okay, she might be there in her home, but nowadays she is teaching, that process is there. Okay, next thing you can see here, to denote future action. Okay, some future action also you can denote with the help of present continuous tense. For example, I am going to Bengaluru tomorrow. I am going to Bengaluru tomorrow. See here, sentence structure. I am going. It is present tense, present continuous sentence. Okay, present continuous tense structure. But it is indicating what? Future action. But while you are using this one, you have to use words like tomorrow, next day, okay, next week, next month, next year. Like that you have to indicate those words. Okay, you have to use those words. Okay, my brothers are coming next week. Okay, here we can see the present continuous tense can be used for future indicators. Okay, it can be used as future indicators. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue for the next topic in the next session. Thank you for watching video.